Okay, in this video we will see event loop. What is event loop in Node.js? It's a major and important topics in Node.js. Actually, what is Node.js is you can see it. Event loop allows for non-blocking input-output operations. That's mean it is used to handle synchronous and asynchronous functions in a way. It's responsible for managing asynchronous operation and handling events in a single threaded event. Which function need to execute first, which is next, like that. Normally we have synchronous and asynchronous now. So both the function is there. Mean which one will execute first? What is the order? These things even loop will handle it. Okay, now we will see the live example with coding. Okay, I inserted the Node.js server. Now I just type console on console function. Console dot log off. I am first. Console first. Just a simple text. Console first. Okay. Then what I do? Just I'm checking whether it's running or not. Okay. Node app.js. Okay, it's running. Now I am going to declare some asynchronous function like set timeout. I go with set timeout. Okay. Um, then what I'm doing here is console.log of I am I am second. Okay, and second. Then what I do, I give some time. I give time. Okay, zero. I'm giving nothing. So it means it need to execute next itself after first line. Okay. Right. Then one more console.log off. I'm third. I'm third. Right. Okay. I think no syntax error. Let me check it. Yeah. No issue. Uh, see how it's running now. Console first line is console, second is asynchronous function set timeout, third is I am third. Okay, but how it is running, it moved to it is executing that third step. This is first one, this is second one. So this is how the event looping is working. Actually, global function is to work first. Global function means asynchronous functions like console and other lines. Other function, synchronous function will execute as per the order. All of these asynchronous, like this asynchronous function will move to libvu, lib libvu memory, lib libvu. It will move to this one. After executed all the global functions, it will get one by one from the libvu memory. Okay, so that's how it's running these things. Uh, Once again, I just checking the audio. Uh, okay, okay. I'm telling one more time clearly. We have three parts: heap memory, call stack, and libview. Okay. Now, if any declaration and function definition happened, it will be in heap memory. Okay. When it's fetching for execution, it will be in call stack. From call stack, it once it's executed, it will go to the output console. Okay. If it is a asynchronous functions mean async function mean it will move to libview. Once all the Synchronous function is completed, asynchronous function will be get one by one and it will be executed. Okay, see here, this is first line. Actually, how it should be first, second, third, but it become first, third, and second. I given zero only, but it is not executed on time. Okay, we will see some more deep example. Like next tick function is there, promise and give that and all. We will see some deep example with this event loop. Okay, just I'm removing this. Can start fresh. Process is there. Process is default object. Process dot next tick off. Process dot one second. Process dot next tick next tick off. It will schedule the call function to execute at next iteration. It means okay. Next tick off. Process dot next tick off. Process dot next tick off. Inside that, you will define a console. Okay, we'll call back like console dot log off. This is first tick task. Okay, this is first tick task one. Okay, I hope there's no syntax error. Let me check it. Yeah, node. Yeah, no syntax error. Okay, let me go to next line. Next one is dot console dot log off. I am just I'm putting like I am lost. Okay, so no, not like that. One second. I am second. We will put I am second because it is second, na? So I am second. Okay. Next, also we will declare one more next tick task. Okay. Same line. Just copy paste it. This is second tick task. This is second tick task. Okay. Then what I do, I'm okay. What it is? This is second tick task. We will declare one more nested tick task inside this. Okay, it. Okay, how it is? We will make it as a function. Okay, function of function of. Okay, now actually inside this tick task we have one console. After that we have one more tick task next tick off inside this. This is next tick off. This is third tick task. Okay, so totally what we have now, first tick task, this is second on normal console dot log. We have second tick task. Inside that we have one console execution and one more next tick task. How the execution will be? Just pause for 1 minute and uh, just visualize the output. Okay, just I run the code now. How it should be? This will be first because it is first one. No, no, not like that. Let me check it. Global, which is global. This is main function, global function. So it will execute first. So after all completion of global things, it will move to asynchronous. The next tick task. Okay. Next tick task one. This is 2, this is 3. Okay, let me run it. Hmm. See it. I am second. It's coming first. Okay, because it's global, it's a synchronous, and it should execute first. While start the execution, what we will do V8 engine, engine will move this next tick task, this line to leave you memory. It won't get executed. After execution of this, it will come to this line, and everything will move to micro task key is there. It will move to there. Leafy memory. It will take one by one from there and it will execute. So what is the which is first inserted? It will be first in first out. So this is first in into that leafy memory. So it will be taking first. Okay. Actually here also I put third. This second. Because it will make confusion. Yeah. This second. Okay. See now. Next tick the tick task. This is executed first. This is yeah. This will execute first as our output. This is next. This is next. This is finally. Got it. So this is how it's working. We will go with some more example functions like promise them. Okay. Now what I do. This is we declare like this. Next. mm, Promise resolve. We move to uh, promise functions. Okay. Promise dot resolve. Only it is success, then it will get resolved. Then then what we are doing, some console to the output we are writing here. What we are writing here, promise task. What this is, promise task one. Okay, is syntax error? Definitely. Yeah. What is the issue? Actually, I missed the bracket. Oh. Hmm. Hingi. No. Say it once again. What is the issue here? We open the enough bracket, then it should be oh single quotation missing. Okay. We opened and closed the function inside that. We have some console printout. Okay. This is one. Then what we do, we are going to print one more promise task. Okay. Just copy and paste it. This is promise task 2. This is promise task 2. Okay, this is promise task 2. This is 1. Then what we do, we are going to write some uh, nested tick task with the promise function. Okay, what I do, promise promise dot resolved. Once get resolved, then of then of then of normal console where I'm writing one normal console dot log of what is this? This is console 2, normal console. Okay, the next I'm writing process dot next tick off. Inside that we are going to define some console. Okay, this simple console task next log off. This is inner promise next tick function. Okay, then I'm going to write one more promise. Just copy paste. This is task 3. I hope no syntax error. Okay, I'm clearing it. I'm running the code now. Okay, is it recording? I'm just, yeah, it's recording. Fine. Now just pause for some time and just guess the output. Hmm. Got it? Huh? How it will be? This will be the first line. This is second. All the next tick task will execute first. Then promise task will execute next. Okay. Promise to resolve all the promise dot resolve will execute next. This inner task, what will happen once this will execute first. When all the promise tasks are executing one by one, this line will execute. This will move to next tick. That's mean live memory. After resolving this one, finally this next tick function, inner function will execute. Okay, let us check it. Node app.js. Error is there. Where it is? Promise dot resolve that. Line number 21. 21. What it is telling is all dot done. Hmm. What's happening? Hmm. Yes, yes. Can you guess the error? Hmm. Resolve, then off bracket, then console dot. This is second console. It's correct. Hmm. Let me check it and. Uh, Actually, the issue is I missed the closing brackets. That's a problem. Yeah, I just add it. Okay, now I'm running. Sorry, clear. Node app.js. Okay, see it. As I told, this next tick executed after the promise task. Above all, the promise tasks are executed first, but this one will executed at final because it is inside the another promise function object. Okay, okay, we will see it line by line. And second, this execute first line is this one. As we already seen, it will move to lib view, so it will execute this one. Okay, it will come like until this. Next, what is this? Is first tick task 3, tick 4, and I'll execute it. Then it start to execute promise task 1, promise task 2. Inside that, one console function is there. Promise task 2. These two promises are executed after the next static function. Next, coming to some two lines we have given inside this promise function. what is there console 2 and next tick. It will execute the console 2 and will it move to promise task directly. It won't execute this line. Output it show the output of this line. It will move to lib view. Okay, after executed this all the promise task, this is coming to the output. This is inner promise next tick function. This is inner promise next tick function. This is that's it. This is how it's managing the functions, synchronous asynchronous functions in a single threaded way. Single thread way. Okay, this is event loop. It's some part of event loop. We have some more deep concepts in event loop. We will see it one by one. Just to see the output and code line by line. You will get to understand. Okay, see it. This is global, so it will execute first. See, I am giving one more example. I am going to put uh, final line. I am lost. I guess this line is last now, so I put like final lost. I am executing now. See it. I am lost. That's coming first. Second itself. So global will execute first. All other function will meet to lib view. Then from lib view memory, it will bring one by one to execution. Normally, next tick will execute before the promise function. This is what is promised resolved means. Once the function get resolved, then inside that then we will have some function catch also there. If it is reject me, catch we can use and we can show the error and all. These things we will see separately from is what is promise and functions. Here just we are seeing these things like event loop, how it's handling synchronous asynchronous functions line by line. Okay. Okay.